With its blend of efficiency, durability, and superior illumination, our RLX-100 delivers a bright light output of up to 100 lux, giving you clear visibility and confidence on every ride. The beam offers up to 7 meters of width, creating a broad and well-defined path ahead. With a beam throw reaching up to 200 meters, you can easily spot obstacles and read the road far into the distance for enhanced safety. At its core is the RX optical reflector technology, engineered to provide a clean and uniform beam pattern in a wide range of conditions. For mounting flexibility, the RLX-100 offers multiple installation options, making it ideal for fork mounting while also supporting stem front and front fender setups for versatile configurations. Thanks to its IP56 rating, it is protected against high-pressure water and dust intrusion, performing reliably in challenging environments. Our RLX-100 is compatible with 25 km/h e-bikes and EPAC systems and fully complies with K-Mark and ISO 6742 standards. Our RLX-100 is available in 2 options. The first package offers our complete fork mount kit with all necessary components for easy installation on your bike's fork, including the universal fork mount FKPL and the reflector. It's fully compatible with all e-bikes and EPAC systems, and comes with a 140 cm long cable to connect directly to the motor. The second version includes all required mounting accessories, but features a 15 cm long Future Electric TD1 cable for stem front mounting. This kit also includes the X-Connect compatible adapter for seamless integration. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.